Hey there! In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to add subtitles to your videos using Filmora. It's a simple process, and by the end of this video, you'll be able to add subtitles to your own videos. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Open Filmora. To get started, open up Filmora and load the clip you want to add subtitles to into your timeline. Once you've done that, we can proceed. Step 2. Add subtitles. Now, to add subtitles, head over to the Titles section in the top menu. You'll find it right next to Media and Audio. Click on Titles, and you'll see a list of included presets that Filmora offers. Among these presets, you'll see Subtitles. You can choose from different subtitle styles, such as ones with a black background and yellow letters. For this example, let's go with the basic style. To add a subtitle to your video, simply click on it. Next to the style you've chosen, you'll now have a subtitle added to your timeline. You can adjust the length of the subtitle by dragging it to make it longer or shorter. To change the text of the subtitle, double-click on it. You can then edit the text right here. Let's add a sample subtitle, How to add subtitles to your videos. You can also customize the font, text style, and even add animations to your subtitles. Filmora provides you with various options to make your subtitles look the way you want them to. And that's it. You can continue adding subtitles to your video by repeating the same process for each subtitle. Change the text, style, and duration to suit your video's needs. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more video editing tips and tutorials. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.